Good afternoon. This is Victor Jimenez with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I'm here at 8101 Stewart Avenue in Westchester, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line. And the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping which is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping which is underneath or interior to the structure. Today's video examination is not focused on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. Alright, so I've accessed today's main sewer line from a 4-inch main sewer line cleanout located about 7 feet to the right of the front door, just next to the little porch patio area leading up to that. It's in the plantry area. So we've accessed this main sewer line today from this cleanout. We've then gone ahead and pushed out to public sewer, and it's not a very long line. It's only about 36 feet, and what we're looking at here is this connection point to public sewer. So we're going to be coming from public sewer back up to this cleanout today, and we'll comment on the condition, the materials, and their different characteristics. Now immediately, pulling away from public sewer, we are in a 6-inch diameter vitrified clay sewer lateral. So the sewer lateral is a portion of the line typically 6 inches in diameter that extends out from the city sewer. It runs under the street, under the sidewalk, and basically public works. So, as I mentioned, the material that we're sitting in right now is a 6-inch diameter vitrified clay pipe. So vitrified clay is a very common material for main sewer lines, has a long service life expectancy. However, it is more susceptible to damage during earthquakes and seismic activity, and it also has a tendency to let in roots at the joint areas. Now, luckily when we were going through this section of clay, actually no breaks in the line. There's also no roots coming in, which is all good. Now, when we do run into a section of clay, we do typically recommend that the line does get cleaned annually, just because the clay pipes have that tendency to allow roots to come in. And if the roots are left unmaintained for long enough, they actually have the possibility of causing breaks to the system, actually breaking the pipe. They also have the ability to cause blockages, potentially back up the line. So overall, it's a good idea to get the line cleaned out annually, especially when you've got that clay line. But in regards to today's inspection, we didn't see anything here in that section of clay that would require any repair. So from this point at 25 feet, we're going into a section of ABS plastic. So for the most part, the pipe that's been run through the front yard has been replaced and or upgraded with this modern plastic pipe. Now, the ABS plastics or other modern style plastic piping are excellent materials for main sewer lines because they have a long service life expectancy, similar to the clay. However, they're not as brittle as the clay, so you don't have the likelihood of the cracking or the breaking as often. And also the way that the pipes are sealed, they're intended to be impervious to root systems. So here in the front yard there is a lot of vegetation, and so not seeing any roots coming in is a good sign, especially in this section of plastic. Now pushing out, we didn't see any issues with the plastic. I haven't seen any coming back so far, but we do have another couple feet here, and we're just going to make sure that there's nothing wrong with the system, no issues. Alright, so here, right at this point, we're actually turning out of this plastic. So the section of the plastic pipe is in good shape. No issues, no fixes to recommend there. Now here, as we start pulling away from that and start pulling up into the cleanout, what we're sitting in right now is a section of original cast iron. Now cast iron is a material that typically has a service life of about 70 to 80 years. And as it gets older, it starts to decay and to wear away. Now you can see here in that plastic pipe, we get a very smooth surface. Here in this cast iron, it's very bumpy, it's very rocky. With that rust and skill buildup, you have some things going on with the line where it almost does a little bit of like a roller coaster type action. Now, with that said, as long as that section of the cast iron isn't too old, and what we saw there, the line's actually holding up pretty well, you should be in good shape. But it's just something to think with, because that cast iron is an older material and eventually will need to be replaced. But currently, with what we saw, that line's in good enough shape currently. Just going to get a photograph of the clean out for the report. And I'll just show you. So here, the front door is right over there. The cleanout's right there in the front yard. The front of the house is right here. Alright, so with that, we're going to be wrapping up the video portion of the examination for today. Once again, this is Victor Jimenez with Silverline Check Professionals. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.